Hello and welcome to the Pure Beauty Global Awards. My name is Sarah Parsons. I'm the acting editor of Pure Beauty, and it's an honour to welcome you this evening as we celebrate the best and brightest in beauty from around the world. This is a special year. It is our 4th ever Pure Beauty Global Awards and our 2nd virtual edition. I'm so proud to announce that this is our biggest year yet. We received a whopping 770 entries from more than 40 countries. Now, our fabulous host for the evening. She's a drag queen superstar and contestant of RuPaul's Drag Race UK. She is Tia Kofi.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to join us this evening as we announce the winners of the 2021 Pure Beauty Global Awards. Gorgeous! Moving on to Best New Inclusive Hair Product. And the winner is Watermans Masque Me Luxurious Hair Mask. Gorge.